He's in my house. Last time I went to her house. Then we decorated.
Wooden. Yes, we are going to make it as like a magnet. We can put it in a fridge.
Or anywhere. Not so this way
Like
we
this.
take. Yes. So we have some
So we have some things.
decorative items and a scissor. Very rare. Decorative item. And a glue. Yes. This is the example.
We can start. We have a place
We
to
only have this color. White paper just for like one color. You can start.
First we will be applying glue.
So I have cut the small piece out, and I also need some glue. Glue is life.
I'm going to spread the glue.
All life is life.
See?
Okay, here is the part. Let it.
Now this side. I'm
Now
going just to fold
to
it.
cut off the excess.
Just going to fold it. Then I will put one more layer over here, so it will be like thick.
Now I'm going to do the same with the pink color paper.
No.
We can
I'm going to spread the glue everywhere and fold.
So I have done mine both sides.
So I'm going to cut off the axis. Cut. You can actually remove this thread and use it.
Eventually, I don't know what is to do. Maybe I'll cut more shapes out.
I'm just going to decorate full around sequence.
Okay, so I have cut this heart, and this doesn't look like a. Okay, so let's take this as a leaf because it's only coming out as a leaf. Where will I put this? White leaf. First I'm hearing of white leaf.
The final result is this is the one which we made as a magnet. It's so beautiful and I love it. Oopsies. Let me just take it. Okay, this is the one. It's so beautiful. And this is also like an example, like a beach tea. And this is like a nature theme, leaf with everything. If you liked it, please like it.
Bye.
Please subscribe and share and click the like button.